Dongbang B&H provides beautiful and healthy lifestyle for all. We have grown as a total life care company through abundant experience and top-class quality management. Dongbang B&H has proven its excellence in technology in Korea and beyond through collaborating with various export partners overseas. Dongbang B&H provides total solution from R&D to product management and marketing to ensure the success of the customers. Clean ingredient with natural elements that reminds you of nature. We will continue to protect our invaluable environment by using carefully hand-picked eco-friendly ingredients. We are keeping our promise to our customers through our unwavering belief that we should always use the best natural ingredient without any harmful substances. Dongbang B&H is confident in its abilities due to its top-class, eco-friendly manufacturing environment and eco-friendly ingredients. Our company has a strict quality control system in accordance with our philosophy of creating only the best. The products that infants can safely use despite their frail skin. This is the standard of safety that Dongbang B&H strives for. Beauty Science Lab is the heart of R&D that continuously strives to develop revolutionary eco-friendly products. Continuously striving towards health and beauty. We respond to the needs of our customers through creative R&D based on scientific data. We are leading the way with marketing solutions and revolutionary product ideas and development through our R&D. The technology that upgrades our customers' lifestyles. We provide aesthetic value to the clean and healthy life. Dongbang B&H products are highly competitive and they are expanding into the global cosmetics market. Dongbang B&H provides total life care that meets various needs of the customers. We will never cease our endeavors so that we can provide the most perfect eco-friendly products that meets everyone's needs and is loved by all. We create beauty and health, as well as cleanliness and safety. We always stay true to our purpose and work hard on the basics. A company that always grows together with the customers. Dongbang B&H will always be by your side to ensure your success.